one thing you need to consider with supplemental lighting is how is that going to affect heat and humidity and other environmental factors within the greenhouse. Traditionally, people who used HPS, they generate a lot of heat in the greenhouse. In some cases, that's almost beneficial if you're in the wintertime with very low temperatures, but it's a rather inefficient way to heat a greenhouse, much better to use a boiler. On the other hand, a lot of greenhouses, heat is the problem, so you want less heat. So HPS was always a negative impact. So with LEDs, the heat factor is at least half of what it is with HPS. So there's a lot less issue to deal with heat, but it will be an important factor. You need to calculate the BTU load and how much air conditioning or ventilation will be required. And that's generally part of the overall environmental management program.